Welcome back. The smoking war between the Bachchan Parivar and Dr. Shekhar Salkar has begun once again. No, this time it is not Big B, but the daughter-in-law Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Doctor is angry that even after sensitizing Amitabh Bachchan on the issue, Aish has committed the same mistake in a poster of her upcoming film, Guzarish.
It was this poster that had put Big B in trouble. And now it is the most glamorous Bahu of the nation, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. This poster of her upcoming movie Guzarish shows Aishwarya smoking a cigarette. And as usual, Dr. Shekhar Salkar, the General Secretary of National Organization for Tobacco Eradication, is back in action.
And the best part is 4 years back, Amitabh Bachchan आम्ही case घाल्ली, who is her father-in-law. So I have written a letter to her that what your father-in-law had done, and he had apologized that time that he had done mistake. But the highlight is of the on advertisement is that Aishwarya Rai is shown as smoking, which actually has no relevance in the full movie.
The Sanjay Leela Bansali movie is due for release on 19th November. The movie has done extensive shooting even in Goa. Now Dr. Salkar has even reminded Aishwarya of the letter sent by the Big B in 2006 as a reply to a legal notice from Note.
She is shown as a smoking cigarette. I think we'll set a wrong trend. नम्हे WHO जो एक initiate केला program that चलयांक मातशे cigarette पासून पयस व्हरचे. This is a big setback for this.
Now it will be interesting to see whether Aishwarya apologizes and whether the poster is withdrawn. Our reporter from Donapal, Pratik Parab, and video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
A leading magazine in Goa, Goan Observer, showcased their amazing creative cover exhibition at Sunapranta Art Gallery at Altino. The exhibition will once again be showcased at Ravindra Bhavan in Madgaon on 3rd and 4th December. The hard-hitting magazine is now 7 years old.
Goan Observer, the independent magazine in Goa, recently presented political art in an exhibition held at Sunapranta Art Gallery. The magazine over the years have visually intrigued the people and educated on most of the political and touching issues. Have a look. It varies from different issues to different politicians. The cover of the magazine mentioned different issues with an example to support a point with strong visual impact. That's what made the magazine more appealing to people. Quotes like "The Real Terrorist," "Real Life Asuras," "Little Boy Lost," "Manimal Farm," "Political Cancer," and "Killer Mosquito" made the people like the magazine all the more. Editor of the magazine Rajan Narayan shared his experience with us and owed all the credit to his team and the artist.
I know that at the newsstand, just like in a newspaper, people decide, look at the headline, pick up. Whereas in a magazine format, in a tabloid format, whether in the UK or anywhere in the world, it is the visual impact that sells, I think, So right from the beginning, we had decided that we would use strong visual elements on the cover. And fortunately, we had very good artists right from the beginning, who let us, in fact, most of the work that you've seen here is, you see, I may give the ideas, but I cannot execute them, So the entire credit really goes to our art director.
Our reporter in Altin, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Narayan Sattu Naik has been appointed as the chairman of Goa Cooperative Marketing and Supply Federation Limited for the second time. Naik has declared one Sahakar Bandar for every taluka. Naik also said that VKS Society and Consumers Society are under heavy loss for the past 46 years.
Board of Directors of Sahakar Bhandar held its meeting on Tuesday. Narayan Sattu Naik is being appointed as the chairman for the second time and Anant Verenekar as the vice chairman.
कंज्युमर आणि विकेस सोसायटी त्यांचे प्रॉब्लेम आसा की तांकां जे थोड्योश्यो डबघायज गेल्ले आहा सोसायटी ताका लागून आमी प्रयत्न करतले आनी तांकां जे मार्केटिंग फेडरेशन 1964 चालू जाल्लें तेन्ना ते उद्देश घेवन चालू जाल्लें आनी मार्केटिंग फेडरेशन ही एपेक्स बॉडी आसा आनी ताका लागून आमी ते सोसायटी ज्यो डबगायज गेल्या तांकां आदार दिवपाचे प्रयत्न करतले.
Sahakar Bhandar will have one branch each in every taluka.
सहकार भंडार आमची आसा ती थोडीशी खूब वर्सां जाल्लीं आसा ती रिन्युवेशन करपाचें आसा आनी तिसरें काम आसा तें आमचे ते प्रत्येक तालुक्यान सहकार भंडार ओपन करपाचें एक उद्देश आसा.
A reporter from Panji Devidas Kamli with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Dr. Hubert Gomes is gearing up for assembly election in Banole. Banole Community Centre, started by him, aims to provide all the basic and important services to Banolekars free of cost. He also wants to start a football academy. Doctor has alleged that SAG is trying to lease its ground to an I-League club for a period of 33 years.
Sometime back, government acquired some fields in Banoli and gave it to SAG, and SAG put up a very poor quality football ground there. It's a very poor quality football ground, but I don't want to blame anybody. But what is really shocking, please take note of this, shocking is this SAG, one very prominent I-League club, the owners of which club has got very big and powerful clout, I have come to know, are in the process of leasing it out to SAG for 33 years. Please, you are all Goan brothers of mine here. SAG cannot lease their ground to a private party for 33 years. Not possible. They will not have it even on my dead body.
Doctor plans to start his own football academy in Banauli.
There was no health center in Banauli. I started a health center. There was no good free functional gym in Banauli. I have started a free functional gym in Banauli. There was no free indoor facilities, indoor games facilities. I have started that. There was many of our youth were addicted to alcohol. I am helping them to overcome these addictions, and now I am starting a football academy with the help of some of my well-wishers.
A reporter from Banauli, Samir Bhatt.
Time now for a short break. Stay tuned.